Uh-huh. All right, yeah, that didn't sound like AY things. I don't even see your blend just now. What y'all do? Okay, well, now welcome back to the late night show. And of course, as it be like this now, we won't change the whole thing in another way just now.
Straight up.
You understand me now? So like this, we'll kind of go another level. This particular guy now will be my guest. Now, I don't introduce him for the beginning of the show, but this is somebody they will be very, very proud of. Sake of say, he don't carry the whole things concerning fashion and tailor work go another level. And him, now one of, if to say this guy no do tailor work, I should say for do comedy. I sure somewhere in between because he is a funny somebody too. Okay, but aside from that one, ladies and gentlemen, I would like people to help me put my hand together and welcome on top the show, Yomi Casual. Yomze. This your heart, but we know say now they set the trend and everything for this country based on say una fashion things and everything. Yomi Casual. First, you now Ondo boy you.
Sure now.
But some people not reason that from that side. They will feel say, man, because maybe you grew up for worry, look say, this guy get touch of worry things and everything.
Not like people, yeah, they share buzzword now. Don't let me miss my buzzword.
Onto budget things. Most for don't just go ahead. Now no guy, money just go do say one thing. But you get waiting before I even start with the whole questions and everything because now feel free show, relax show, more just gist, more just yeah. Now, as younger brother to AY, AY on your own part they do excellently well. You on your own side they do excellently well. Waiting be the thing about una, we just they make una they set things apart from the whole bunch of things.
First, I was saying our God, you know,
Okay.
not about our power and our God. Another thing we say, we know where they come.
Okay.
Where they come far.
Okay. So
you know, get where you go suffer rich. I swear, idea will come your head.
Seriously.
You know, my greatest fear now is poverty.
Okay.
So I cannot taste that before. So my greatest fear, I can't allow my children to enjoy at all. They can't even taste that at all.
So you don't want to go back that side at all.
Yeah. And AY is a mentor because AY understand the game. You know one thing when you tell me one day what like Yomi, it's not about doing the best design. You guys, it's about understanding the game and package yourself.
Packaging.
That packaging is key.
Packaging.
That packaging is key. Because I this Lagos with this one, you can package nothing into something.
True.
Yeah, so there's some people who say they Lagos with they celebrate now. You will look their brand, you will say, but what is this guy brand? I don't understand how far. You get, but you will see the brand, everybody celebrate the brand. See Wella for example. The show now back to back, they sold out steady, back to back.
Back to back.
People go say, man, this is not funny with this guy now. You are not funny with this guy now. But you there, they talk about not funny.
But they sold the full eco hotel. People they laugh.
Understand? Now package, you know. Other things why I go do, they say, this guy now, let's tell you they do.
Exactly.
I don't understand that far. You know, want to understand the game. I don't understand that which one understand. And I get mentor they back me up, which is Moody.
Yes.
You know, and they follow Moody footstep. You know Moody, right?
Yeah, of course now.
So if you know Moody, and if I say Moody my mentor, you're supposed to know, okay, fine, I know where the guy will come.
Exactly. Because I've been reading one of your interviews where you mentioned say Moody and everything. But how Moody don't inspire you to be better than waiting you felt, you know? Because this tailoring business, and you like to call yourself tailor. You understand? Because before now, people know they celebrate fashion designers and tailors and stuff. But now, based on how things don't go like this now, we're not carry and go another level, you know. And you as one of the young guys, then when they make this whole thing pure pass as it be normally, how would the influence take carry you go the next level for your career?
You know, Moody apart from saying Moody get nice finishing. You don't see Moody works there.
I don't see Moody works.
You know, Moody designs are so unique in the fact that you can't even copy it. You get so his designs they stand out.
So you know if you
can't even copy Moody. And there's one thing where say if you see Moody they do at the do and too. Okay. Moody they use only celebrities to they model his stuff.
Packaging stuff.
You get so me too I look and say this is not that bad package. Then me I start and that's one of my biggest secrets.
Okay.
You get so because you don't want it about using those celebrities, you know. Once you use like a Zakoji for instance.
Yes.
You put the stuff out there. You don't win all Zakoji fans.
Exactly.
You go buy both Zakoji, buy both fans, buy everybody.
Exactly. Now, business secret. Where your maker don't just reveal to us now. So as now they watch the whole thing like this now, don't say yes now. Secret 101.
Why not we tell them? But we thank God for the whole thing now because the whole thing right now. Last time I was in Manchester in February. Because she they stay in Manchester now with her family.
Okay.
I was like, big sis, that mistake you make, you don't know what you do. So the biggest thing in my life, that be that. You know. So sometimes I say some mistakes are blessing.
Exactly. You all turn around to become blessing for a person, you know. But we really appreciate all the you know, because find and apply at the arts.
Yeah.
I mean, that supposed to be the original.
Yeah,
move.
but funny enough, I don't even use the art now. I infuse and enjoy my fashion skills. You know, that's why if you see most of my designs, you'll be like, man, how did you guys think this thing?
Yes.
You know the way an artist thinks.
Yes.
They know the thing normal.
Creative.
We get 3 eyes.
Yes.
You use your 2 eyes, say something. I mean, my third eye, I see beyond what they see.
Hey! Spiritual.
Straight up.
Spiritual.
Straight up.
So inside tailoring and this and everything, spiritual idea. Now they look normal, I they look the other say, you guy, this is not normal looking. One that looking, they will can't see be normal. But one other one day, where the ordinary eye cannot see. It's a spiritual time. Hallelujah. You got the verse. If I don't enter my singing thing, you got the verse. If I don't get voice, I go choke to you. You'll be choke surprise.
Surprise.
Okay, Yomi Casual. Now, quickly, you been get one of your interviews where I've been read some time back where you been talk say your first thing where you design, where they get given one assignment for school that year where you can't just turn your own to something else.
You know, that's where you know, I tell other young designers where they come up like me. You get, because I believe all of us they come up until we reach it. We never reach it yet.
Yes.
You know, I tell them, like, I was like, for you to stand out in this industry or in anything you do, apart from even fashion-wise, other things where you do, you must break the rules. You must break the rules. But first, you have to know the rules. Yes. When you don't know the rules, know all the rules of the game. For you to stand out, for people to say, oh, this guy don't learn this thing, but he got income stand out, you must break the rules. You go think out of the box. You know, because I give an assignment, they say, make everybody go make those Awusa tunic, like kaftan. You get, so everybody do their regular stuff. Me, I look and say, why my kaftan not be different? Why my not you get vampire collar? Since there's not a runway clothes, that's okay. What do am? At first, when they done my friends, they yab me, they laugh my life. They must talk, sha. They laugh my life. When they make everybody show the assignment for inside class, because before we do the wrong way, we first show our assignment. I'm not going to show my own, because they laugh. I guess I'm afraid they get bad mouth. True. They yab my life, And then you want to one man say, Yomi, just keep on. We're on the day of the show. Now me laugh last now. When all of them they showcase, God go do and God go put me for last. Even the verse where I go put me for last, say they won't laugh me now. See set up, as they put me for last, they reach my turn. Everybody stand up. White people stand up. And the white people they can't do the inspection. See the thing where they trip me back, the white people they clap for me. I say, see levels. Hey, white man they clap for me boy. Their father. No, but seriously, it just goes to show you, say, man, because based on your story now, some things not work the way you take plan. No. But as the idea come, it can't be like saying a mistake, but can't turn out to come blessing. Of course. We really appreciate that kind of gist, you understand? And motivation and inspiration for enough people, you know, where they watch. Now, quickly, because we know you to get too much time to spend on top plenty things. Now, this whole thing now don't carry you reach where celebrities and the likes of them, they wear your clothes now. And so we get pictures them where we just, they dish out of people to see. And many of them, now, aside from saying you just clothes them, want to say, they become your model. Yeah. Then they wear them now. Then they arrange their own. Some people they walk by. They buy and they make purchases. We get the pictures then where they roll for screen. So at least, so all these ones now, so far now, say, okay, these are detricated. Most of these guys, say now they corner some of these people because they see pictures, man. The day where this guy come to my office, I shock you. You know this guy actually came to my office. For your boy Thomas for that side. Now my office is not that picture. Wow. He come to my office, I see the guy shock. I see this guy come to my office, so he say he just tell some people say in like where some Africa trades. Nice time he say come I know the guy. You go one guy please. I know the guy. As he reach there, he begin tell Sammy thank you. The guy buy almost 20 pieces. Wow. That's it. He buy enough. He say, man, I can't wait to get back to the States, man. With African things. I'm going to rock every. No. The guy gets tired. Man, seriously, because I really appreciate the fact, say, man, you carry this whole thing, go on that level. But at the same time, you been for one of your interview I've been read, you been talk of say how it takes start inside your room where you Elenu and Shay all of that be there. Elenu. Man, I tell you one thing about Elenu, you don't know. You know say Elenu not carry my first machine for head. Seriously, no one I head press. I appreciate I have back.
Not I had press. Nonsense, somebody.
Now I carry my machine for me and I go market. And let me carry my machine for head.
Serious?
And I can't forget that day. I can't forget that
All
day.
of them, they manage the
All
same
of us now
rule.
just, you know, group of young guys,
Yes.
they say, man, everybody strive to
they
make
get
calm.
dreams.
We get dreams, you know,
Yes.
everybody get dreams about I'm going somewhere.
Bow.
Nobody just they stagnant. Everybody was like, man, I'm going somewhere. During the day, because guys that they cooperate will come on bed, come on everything, clear everything, leave only share.
Chai.
When my clients come, kind of go in the office in our office too. They don't say for night.
So for daytime,
They don't
the
say for
office.
night, like 6 guys they sleep at that place.
Kai.
Like 6
See
guys.
hustle. See
No.
So if boys don't do where they day now, people don't know story.
No. They say, this guy is so lucky. He just came from nowhere.
From
Now lie,
nowhere. Yeah, that from nowhere.
We'll tell you some story here. You go shock.
Chai.
We do this.
Yeah? And I know I don't come there once. Even Miss, I don't even know say.
You know the happen that time.
You understand? Because I remember I can't see bro say why that year.
Yeah.
And then we just do some kind gist and everything. But I know say that same side now, man. But no. But we thank God for person. God don't carry person from grass to grace.
Yeah.
You understand? Now, quickly, your love for cars, your love and your taste for. Yomi won't kill also. Easy bit. At the point, me and Odogo comedian, they just one day say, "Just say we not go leave this comedy work, go they do tailor work. We just go they arrange every. Okay, we just put pictures and everything. Your love for cars, what's up? Now your newest baby be this.
Yeah.
But what tripped me for this particular car, the fact say your plate number, you put tailor on top.
Yeah.
Wow.
You put tailor on top.
You know, everybody was like, "Yo, I mean, why you go put tailor for this kind of luxury car?" Man, I'm proud of my job. I love my job, because you know what? All the money I make for this in my life now, to fashion. Nobody just say, "Yomi, take this 1 million, I dash you." Nobody just say, "Yomi, I take this money, just support your career." No, every change I don't make
from the
fashion
this
same
thing.
fashion. You
So
know?
I mean, why you not go be proud of?
So and at the same time, I have a lot of younger guys that are looking up to me. So I have to encourage them.
True.
So I have to put that tailor.
True,
so I dey give them mind now. Say, man, guy, you can be somebody
exactly.
doing this thing, you know.
So this one alone, we just preach plenty message.
Yeah, you don't really have to be a doctor or be a lawyer or be something for you to be recognized in the society. You know, the same respect they'll give lawyer. As they announce the name, they go announce my name too. Because you know what? I get the same level we get in the industry. And funny enough, I think even get level past because me, I be celeb. You get?
Finito.
You might even be shocked that even the same money when they make, if they make a salary under a month.
Exactly.
It's salary for 1 year.
For 1 year.
Under 2 months.
True.
You get?
So not be really. Now just the eye people they look these things them.
But I always advise everybody, it's okay, fine, if you want, everybody want to go into fashion. If you want to go into fashion, just try go school small.
That part help. That part
help. Because that's the only way. That's the only way you can relate to your clients.
Exactly.
But when your client is trying to pass something to you and you not get idea, you're the mope like every roadside tailor. So that's the only thing will make you this stand out from other roadside tailors.
Exactly.
Because roadside tailors, they get ideas. Number one ideas are bad pass now.
Yes,
you got some guys' ideas, but they don't get voice.
Exactly. Because of the educational aspect, not today. To carry them waka some kind of waka. Now your awards, so many awards they come with the whole thing back to back. At least it shows say, man, your work now, people not just they recognize your ability, they can say, okay, maybe they come they carry awards, join the whole thing. So far, like how many awards you don't collect now?
So far I get like 17 awards.
Like 17 awards from this tailoring issue. Easy bit applause again. Not be joke, not be joke. I mean, not be beans. Some people they entertainment industry years now. 2 decades don't pass. 1 award not follow. Not be joke, you understand? But man, you they inspire many young people. And so far, I also hear say you get people your staff they reach about like 17 or something.
Presently I get like 12 now. You know, some they come, some they say, okay, fine, send the meet up the standard, you go drop them.
Okay.
Then presently, you know, one thing they shock me now. We say, education is very good.
Yeah.
But to tell you how do I appreciate fashion rich now for Nigeria, I have like 4 graduates. They don't finish school. They come my place, say they won't learn work. And at some point, I was like, guy, why you come go school? Man, see where this country is going, man.
Yes.
Handwork.
Handwork.
That's why they say my kids, no matter what, they'll go school, but they must get handwork.
Exactly.
They must get handwork.
Handwork now, I mean, you go always feed yourself.
Very important.
You go always feed yourself. You know, get how. You go always feed yourself. And then finally, now, the final note now, you say you won't retire at 40. you still there with that dream. You don't add small years join now. The guy only say they be. You understand? You say, okay, make it 45. When you be like, say what?
You know when I say I want to retire at 40, not be say I want really retire at 40. You know?
Okay, because I live around retire so many times.
You get retirement, not mean say you know to do this thing again.
Okay.
I don't retire. Yes. I don't leave legacy for somebody.
Yes.
You get. I think people say they run the business.
Okay.
Me, I could just relax now. When I say retire, all those running around, now see me for Lagos Island, now see me say I go buy material. I want travel, go Italy, go buy material. I want travel, go Dubai, go buy material. No, you go relax more. Because there I don't get people where did there. I'll just there for us. They hold my phone. They find a lot.
Finish at least. And that time when they work for you,
you get. Then your money is now working for you. You get. So when I say your money will work for you, now that time they wait for.
Okay.
So at 40, before when I grew up, I say at 35, I don't stop to the work. I just relax for us.
Yes, yeah.
But at 40, by God's grace, I'll just relax for us.
Our prayer now be say, now see before 35 before go enter 40. Our prayer be say no go enter 45. Now we the remaining prayer now. All right, on the final note, Yomi, because I know say you be person self where you get debt onto yans, you understand? And I don't listen to AY talk.
Yeah.
You understand? Because every time you don't call me, come say, guy, young man, see. I never forget one thing when you tell me. I don't know whether I remember one performance sometimes, some years back, you call me say, Ogbolo, you know, everybody get time. Your time now don't reach so. You understand? Before men can go back to drawing board, can still go change some things. Say, okay, make we just do it like this. Meaning you follow one pattern because everybody crowd they follow one road. We just change it like maybe like this. But I know say you said you get your own words from mouth. You get, but still based on some kind of things I don't hear you talk in the past. You understand? What you go tell the young people that outside the way, you know, won't enter this kind of level or any kind of hustle where they want to enter at all.
Yeah,
you understand? Based on money things.
Yeah.
Based on pursuit for money, I be value, I be things where you feel offer or your talent. What you get to learn as that particular.
First thing I would say is whatever business you want to go into, let money be aside. Don't put money in front.
Make money the one side.
Money should be the last thing because you know what? Everything what they do, if you get them right along the line, you go see money go begin flowing. Definitely, you know, money shouldn't be the first thing you should put in front.
Okay.
Yeah. Then, if you want to go into any business, you must don't know about the thing.
Get better knowledge about
go
the
get
thing.
knowledge about the thing. Not just say, I see many people saying now, say, I'm a designer. I'll be like, okay, fine, what are your designs? Let me see your designs you have for, as in, do you want to show to the world?
Okay.
You begin to show me some of my designs there. When you just save for a phone. Say, ain't change the color. Like, no.
Because I know some people, they copy your
things. You are not ready. Not copy my design, not copy Moody, not copy my Atafo, not copy Van Scary. Come up with your own. The best thing you say you feel do is, okay, fine, make our designs inspire you.
Okay.
You get, you know what about inspiration? It comes from every angle.
Yes.
I think see your suit now, look at say, man, I like the way this guy take music, I like the color. I think not make her in suit. If you come in native, but I go miss that your style, that your color, that your tie color.
Yes.
They do them in native form.
Yes.
I'm able to say, man, I love the color combination. You're not going to say that this guy not inspire me.
But the inspiration don't first come.
It don't come.
You add your own creativity.
So you need to build on people's idea, not just carry on copycat, change color, say you don't work.
Just carry that, bam, just do them.
Then you don't want to say the invest me for this Nigeria now. Besides, they see a lot of young guys where they complain, say, man, our government is bad. This government, they don't give us anything. This government, forget that thing. The government no can give you money. Even if this government better tomorrow, they can't give you money. Say, guy, how far you don't try, you'll be really good citizen. Take this 2 million. No. Stop condemning the government. Because inside this same Nigeria we did, so we get young guys where they make money.
Exactly.
How do they make money? That's the question.
Exactly.
How they make money? Guys, they make genuine money. Not be Yahoo matter. Guys, they make genuine money.
Based on their hustle.
So that was one thing where drive me. One driving force where I get when I enter Lagos. I didn't see young boys they drive car when I enter Lagos.
Yes.
I will call a while. I say, bro, so these guys they drive these cars. Who give them money? I will say, Yomi, they work. These guys they work. Because for worry that I will not be saying, if you drive motor. Because the way our party beat us for a motor, we believe we don't drive motor to 150.
Based on the beating, no.
They beat us so they will not get you to buy motor.
They beat you, come out the dream for you.
Motor can be like saying na luxury. You get. So I'm not getting myself go buy motor very soon. That's why I go make math one day, give one policeman. Policeman stop me for body Thomas. Stop me. He say, oh my driver's license. Now I give her. Because I will get this car. Now it's not my own. Because I have to buy this car. What do? Now the mistake what I make, I can go provoke, say, sir, don't say that to me. I've been in this Lagos for 2 years. For 2 years, I've been hustling in 2 years. And I say, guy, if you repeat that thing again, I can arrest you. Because I done the police force for 10 years. I don't buy a car.
The guy want to use the own, they compare, you say, for what?
The guy, I just changed, I said, not vest, officer, not vest. I said, just quiet me, just go. Because that tweet told me arrest you.
Chai.
You know, so as a youth, keep your head straight and
keep money aside.
Focus, yeah.
Get good knowledge of the business and everything.
Very important. Very, very important.
Man, Yomi Casual, man, seriously, this time we'll get with you. So many knowledge don't enter the whole thing. I believe it's an easy bit, you feel the whole thing. You understand? Because it is very important to say, as young people within this country, we know you depend on the country to come to change things for us. Maybe we say go outside, they go use our own hand, change things, you know. Go see how you go add your own quota to the whole thing. No wait for what the government will do for you. Reason what you said will do for the country itself. You get? And I believe, say, with the likes of Yomi and so many other young people, the way they outside, the way they make things they happen. I think Nigeria will get a very wonderful future.
Very.
You understand? Very wonderful future. Yomi, thank you very much. You come on top of the show, even though no, since it be take, you know, rough.
I noticed something. No, they're not giving me drink.
No worry, drink day, not me drink.
Not let me cut the say.
We'll carry give us the go out. That will not be.
For this table just DMT. I'm not drink at all. And I plan the drink.
Na knowledgeable day.
I plan this drink come.
No worry now. We'll carry on giving. Not be drink. What drink?
This life.
We there, yeah. We go. No, we're down some before you come just now. So
okay. So my own.
We'll continue downing.
Okay.
No taking. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's still the late night show, and I say big thank you to Yomi Casual. We follow me down top the show today. Thank you very much, and we wish you the best of the best of the best.
Thank you very much.
We'll say very soon we're going to hear Yomi Casual for everywhere, Paris, everywhere. Right now, some one day for Port Harcourt.
No, we did Lagos now. We're looking one for Lekki.
Yeah. So very soon now, Nigeria and the world at large. All right. Correct people, we know that I don't hear every on top of the show today. I want to say very biggest thank you to Ricardo Banks and of course Yomi Casual. We follow me there on top of the show today. Of course, and you know guys, I want to talk again. We go inspire you. Ricardo don't talk kind thing, go carry cement, go do some kind things, still sell things for inside hold up. Yomi gonna come talk in own too. Give us all the inspiration. If this one no change your life, I don't know if you want to change you, join. Maybe that your church will remain. But we dey thank all of you follow us on top of the show today. Just go for our Twitter handle be at @WLateNightShow. Reach for there and you go follow us word. Anything at all based on today's show, give us gist and we'll go know. Yomi, how do you follow you on top Twitter and Instagram?
On Twitter is Yomi Casual VIP.
Okay.
And Instagram is Yomi Casual.
Okay. All right. So now don't hear from Yomi. From us for here, we go say good night to everybody from myself, Ogbolo, and of course, Easy Beat on the Wheels of Steel. Good night to all of you. Now, make us sleep better sleep, and we'll see you now again tomorrow. God bless all of you. Good night.